Selfie camera, maybe that is the main element you think about when choosing a smartphone. Either you really like to see your face or simply because it is important to make video calls for meetings. The fact is that more or less the quality of the front camera that will record your face is quite noticed by some people. DXOMARK assessed this and ranked which smartphone has the best selfie camera. The following is the data which was collected until March 2020. Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. The advantage of the Pro Max series over Max is its ability to take wider pictures with video quality that reach 4K. Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The autofocus and HDR system are good enough, although not perfect, but with its overall capabilities, guaranteed pictures from the front camera that you get are more than enough. Google Pixel 4. Good lighting, wide size, deep color, all that you can get from the front camera of Pixel 4. Google Pixel 3. The bokeh effect of Pixel 3 is better than Pixel 4. Moreover, the picture results are very good with close to perfect detail in all conditions. Huawei Mate 30 Pro. The quality result of the front camera Mate 30 Pro has a good lighting with deep colors, although it is not ideal for short distances or for using selfie handles. At a minimum, the image results are already very good. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Spelled out S10 Plus selfie camera has almost no weaknesses at all. Maybe it's just a matter of color that is less profound. It is just that it can be changed by editing it a title. Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. In terms of texture and noise reduction, S10 5G provides balanced results, not to mention the good autofocus system to ensure the front camera object can be captured in detail. Asus Zenfone 6. Because the rear camera is on the front camera itself, so there is no doubt about the selfie quality, a good autofocus system, dual LED flash, sophisticated software. All combinations make the Zenfone 6 a selfie champion. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. Believe me, the selfie picture is amazing. The ability to record video up to 4K up to bokeh effect provide ensures that you are impressed with the Note 10 Plus 5G front camera. Huawei Nova 6 5G. Perfect colors, focus subjects, fine details for background, all of that you get directly from this one smartphone.